Let's explore how the timeline works. In previous video, I said I was not using it, and recently I started using it, and I like it. So let's see how it works. So if you are in task, you're gonna need to go to View and click on Timeline to see the timeline. At first, I thought it was kind of just a slider to look at the date you want, but it's way more than this. So let's see how it can help us in Manager or Shutdown. So if I want to add a task to the timeline, I just have to right click and add it to the timeline. And I'm gonna do the same thing for that maintenance task here. I'm gonna add it also. I'm gonna add that project because I want to track it. And I'm gonna put the restart operation here also. And now it has built a timeline, and it's not just for other tasks. It could be also any task you want to track or you want to make visible in the timeline. I'm gonna give it a little more space here, and I'm gonna add that big task here because it's important and I want to track it. I can add it to the timeline. It went at the bottom. I don't like it. I would like to see it in the middle and see the project at the bottom. And yeah, that's it. So you can see the benefit if it's a very big Gantt. Yeah, that you have 1,000 line. You can resume it by the main task or the critical path you wanna follow. You can also right click and go and see the project information or the task information, and that's the check mark here that make it visible on the timeline. And you can also use it to navigate straight to the task. So for example, if I have a very long Gantt and I want to reach the restart operation, but I don't remember the line number, I can right click on it and just go to selected task, and it gonna reach that specific task. The other benefit of it is I'm just gonna show only the timeline. If I wanna send a view for management or for the team, or send it by email, you can right click and create a copy of this timeline, and we're gonna be able to paste it in a PowerPoint or in the or in Word. I'm gonna go back to the Gantt view and make it the timeline visible again. And last thing about it, when you're tracking your project, for example, I'm going to say that those tasks are at 100%. So it's finished, and you're going to see the check mark to tell me that it's finished. And I'm going to put some progress on that specific task here. And you can see now that there is progress on the task. And I'm going to bring it I'm going to bring the zoom here, or I can simply remove the zooming and pan function, and you can see the timeline, use it to navigate or using to put it in a presentation.